Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be going over understanding sets and how to use them in Python. So, to start off, a set is mostly a list with the difference of they do not contain duplicate values. So if you were to try and append a value into a set that was not already in it, it will not place it in, or if it is already in there, it shall delete the duplicates until there is only one. In this code, I show two very helpful commands to use with sets. The first one I'll be showing is difference. As you can see in this code, I have made two sets. Notice that for the sets we use curly brackets instead of square brackets. We then go down to see this command. I am printing in this case, but you can set it to its own set as well. Then we do the first set. This will be the set we go through one by one to then check the other set to see if it is in that one as well. Then dot, difference, brackets, and then the name of the second set. This will then print out a set which has a list of all the attributes in set 1 that aren't in set 2, and vice versa for the next line. Now on to the second command. This one is set1 dot intersection bracket set 2. No matter what order you put the sets in, the result will be the same. So the results for this one will be what attributes are in both the sets you have selected. That is it. I hope you have learnt something and enjoyed, and I hope to see you soon.